Hello, kitty. Did you come for a visit? Carly's not here. I'll show you who's paying attention. Oh, maybe she likes him. Do you think she likes him? What do you think, Camilla? Camilla, he's a pretty handsome boy. Oh, you're getting your sand out there, huh? Was his name Albus? I think his name's Albus. He's the neighbor's cat. He was a wild cat, but the neighbor took him in. He seems to be getting settled in. What do you think, Camilla? Camilla? Is that gonna be your new friend? Kitty, kitty, kitty. What are you whining about, huh? What are you whining about? You want to eat him. You want to go and eat him, huh? Jack doesn't want to eat him. Is that you whining? Huh, kitty cat? Hello, handsome boy. Oh. Did you hear her? She growled. She's protecting her territory. She almost looks ready to go after him. Which she could, because she's really good at balancing up here on this fence. She goes across this fence and she easily gets over there. But I don't see him trying that. Maybe he's scared. She's kind of scary. Well, you two have fun, whatever you do.